Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is a little shout out video. I haven't done one for a while and I did used to do them every Sunday, but it started off with people were watching them and like waiting for them, and then ended up where I think people were getting bored with them, so I didn't do any for a while. But I used to do a shout out Sunday, so I'm doing a shout out now. So right, I've got a few. I'm not going to go crazy and do loads, although there are so many people I can mention. And I'm going to put a link to all these lovely channels in the description box below, so please check it out. And this is not in any order whatsoever, they're just in the order of post-its that I splodged down on the counter. So no particular order there and everything. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hit that to all, because there are an awful lot of what's the word, problems, yeah, with notifications. Oh, I've got a bubble. You hate that when that happens. I had a bubble. Don't know why. Anyway, I've digressed. My bubble put me off. Oh yeah, notifications. People are saying that they're just not getting notifications. So if you hit that, hopefully you'll be one of those that do, because I think, you know, there's seemed to be a problem with the older ones anyway. So anyway, first off, Sharon's Crochet Corner. Now she's at 1009 at this precise moment in time, and she does podcasts and she's a lot of fun. So again, the links will be in the bottom, so do check her out. And this lady has been, I've been a subscriber of her since the early days of my channel, and I love her a lot. And that's Knit, Purl and Squirrel with Granny D Thompson, and she is currently at 1.79k. She is a lot of fun. Now she does lots, she does read-ins, like she reads a book, you know, a classic normally, and she'll do those. She'll also do her lives, and she does lots of other videos as well, but she's a lot of fun, and I love her a lot. She just recently sent me a hat, so I'm so happy about that. But yeah, check out Granny D. She's kind of needs to sort of have a little boost with her subscribers, so do check her out. Again, links will be in the bottom. Jamie's Hooked. Now she's, believe it or not, only got 318 subscribers, and she'll do videos. She's done a live about 2 months ago, but she hasn't done any since. She does chats, and she's done a shopping video to Walmart, so well worth a look. Don't forget, check her out. And Sadie's Spincraft, again, just someone who's only got 394 subscribers and really could should have more than that. I love watching things like spinning. It was fascinating. Went in and had a good look at a few of her videos, and she's got one of those, like a spinning wheel, and it's just really great to watch it. She doesn't only do that, but it is really fascinating to watch her craft, so give her a check out too. And we've got Fibre Floozy, good old Jill. Saw her in my live stream last night for the first time in ages, and she's currently at 834, and she's always lots of fun. And she wears these headphones that always reminds me of a DJ, and I want her to spin some tracks. When I used to go in her live streams a lot, but I'm never up late enough these days. Just can't seem to stir awake past about 11 last night. I was really flagging, and it was the latest I'd been to bed for a long time, and I just can't seem to do it. People used to comment and say, "Do you never sleep, woman? You're always in the late night lives." And I would be up 2, 3 in the morning. I can't even make it past 10:30 some nights now. But hopefully that'll change, and I'll get back to my nocturnal ways. Oh, I could just see the mess. Oops, sorry about that. I do need to tidy up a bit. So yeah, check out Jill at Fibre Floozy Crafts. And Cindy Hart's Crochet, she's a lovely lady. She's currently at 1.28k, and she does really lovely chats on her front porch, and I'm kind of jealous of her front porch. When I do like mine in the garden, and but she's got a lovely front porch, and she does podcasts and lives. She's got a great accent. She's from Alabama, and she's got a great accent. So yeah, again, in the description box, check her out as well. I'm steaming through these. Maybe I should have done some more. So Urban Yarn, Gary. Not my Gary. I hasten to add another Gary. There's more than one of them in the world. So he's lovely, and I would definitely check him out. He's got a great channel. I've just written all my notes here because otherwise I'll forget to say things. He does podcasts, and he's got a new logo. And he does yarn dyeing as well, so he's well worth having a look. He's a really lovely guy, and very good in front of the camera. Very easy. And, well, I shouldn't say easy, but you know what I mean. Did I drop that? No. So, yeah, give him a check out. He's got 1.17k. Deserves way more than that. So, let's give him a look as well. I'm getting a bit warm. It's a really hot day today, and I've got the windows shut. Don't quite know why I've got the windows shut, really. Having a moment. So another one who's been around with me since a long time. I've only had my channel since last summer, so at the end of last summer at that. So it's not really a long time, but since I've been going, is Crochet Me Pink Kelly. And I was absolutely gobsmacked and shocked when I saw that she only had 765 subscribers. What? Good grief. I love Kelly. She's always fun. She's natural, and always funny. Always good for a giggle. So give her a watch. She does lots of lives. I've only got a couple left. Oh my goodness. Right. Madonna Ballad. What can I say? What can I say about Madonna that won't go bleep? No, seriously. She's lovely. Madonna is wonderful. I love her so much. And she's always funny. She's got the driest sense of humour. And she tickles me a lot. Well, pardon the expression. She's just lovely. And she's, I don't know what else to say. Check her out. She has got 1.61 thousand. And she really does deserve more. She's lovely. She's just such a sweetheart. Last, but by no means least, is Have a Yarn with Charlie. I've shouted a few of these people out before in the past, but Charlie has got 992 subscribers at this precise moment in time. Now, we've got an incentive to get her up to 1k, because when she gets there, she's going to dye her hair purple. And come on, we need to see that. Let's do it. Let's get her up there. You can do it. You can get her up there. And she's lovely. She's very funny. She's got a nice channel. She does little games like Yarn Bingo. I haven't seen her channel for a little while. I've checked it out earlier today. I don't know quite why, but maybe it's this notification thing, but don't seem to be getting them. But I've kind of renewed my notification, you know, when you can click on it and set it to all. I kind of renewed that, so hopefully I'll be getting them now. But she's got a lovely family as well, and she's got some really nice content on her channel, so give her a watch and hit that subscribe button, and let's get some purple hair, because I keep threatening to do mine, don't I, this purple shade underneath. So maybe she'll give me that inspiration to actually get it done. I've got the dye sitting out there waiting for it, and you never know, if I see Charlie with purple hair, it might spur me on to get in there and get doing this. I kind of keep worrying that I'm going to hate it, and I'll be stuck with it, because there's no way of, although there is a way, because at home I've got a couple of boxes of stripper, so, but that just doesn't, you know, always work with my hair. Sometimes it just comes back next time I do it, which is brilliant, isn't it not? So yeah, those are my little shout outs for now. I will do some more, maybe not every week, because I think people got a bit bored with seeing it every week, but now and then. So these are ones that I've done for now, so do check them out, and I will endeavour to put all their details. Excuse me, I've got an itchy foot, and it's, I think I've been bitten. Yeah, we'll endeavour to put all their bits in the description box, links to their channels and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys, and do watch for more, because I will do some. I don't know when. I'm not a scheduler. You know me, I'm flaky. So thank you so much. Stay safe, everyone. Until next time, bye for now. Oh, I just forgot to say, if you're still there, if you haven't hit, you know, the X. Watch out later on. I'm going to do a cooking video. Hopefully, unless it messes up. If it messes up, I'll scrap it. But all being well, I'll do a nice little cooking video later. You never know. Bye for now.